In this video, I'm going to show you a great new method that you can try and make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. This method don't require any specific knowledge or any expertise in any type of field. You can be a complete beginner, and what you need to do is just to follow the step-by-step process that I give you in this video. We are going to make money with affiliate marketing, and the first step is to go to the Fiverr website, and I'm going to show you how to use Fiverr affiliate program to start making money. Don't worry, you're not going to be a gig in Fiverr or just giving any specific service. We are just going to use a great affiliate program that the Fiverr is offering these days. So now I'm going to the Fiverr website, and as you can see, this website is a great freelancing website. So what we are going to do is to go to the bottom of the page. If you go to the bottom of the page, you can see that there is, in the community column, there is a link here, affiliate. So we click the affiliates here, and then we go to another page here that it says Fiverr affiliates, and we can actually start joining the Fiverr program. There are different types of affiliate here, so we can go with the Fiverr Pro, and Logo Maker. So the Pro services, Marketplace Gigs, and Logo Maker. So I'm just going to tell you exactly what is the difference between Marketplace Gigs, Pro Services, and Logo Maker. If you go back to Fiverr, if we go to the digital marketing section here, and then we go to the social media marketing. And as you can see here, there are different gigs here, and some of them actually have this word here, pro, which means that they are professional, giving a professional service, and they usually charge more than the other types of gigs here, which are not pro. And as you can see, for example, let's go to this one here. I will set up Facebook and Instagram ads for leads and sales. So I just click this one, and you can see that this person is offering this kind of ads here, Facebook and Instagram ads, and is charging like $300 for one professional ad campaign. And here also we can see that this person is offering this gig for different industries like beauty and cosmetics, health, wellness, real estate, different types of industries. And what we need to do is to have an affiliate link and promote this gig to people who are looking for Facebook or Instagram ads. So there are a lot of companies online that are searching for someone to do this kind of services for them, someone who can actually create very engaging ad to promote their products. So what we are going to do is to try to promote this kind of gigs. So if the person uses our link and buys this gig, which is $300 for the basic plan, we get 70%, which would be $210. That's pretty good commission. In the next steps, I'm going to tell you how to create these links and how to promote them so that we can start making money. If you like the video so far, please go ahead and like the video, and now let's move to the next step. Alright, now we are back at the Fiverr affiliate page here, and we can see that there are pro services, logo makers, and marketplace gigs. As you saw, if we promote the pro services, we can get like 70% on the first order, and if the customer starts buying again from that gig, we get 10% for future orders. Also, we can promote the other gigs that are not pro, like this marketplace gigs, and for the first order we get 25%. And for logo makers, we are just going to get like $30 for the first order and 10% for future orders. I believe that focusing on the pro services, which gives us 70% commission, is the best option for us. Now I'm going to actually go and start joining the Fiverr affiliate. So I just click join Fiverr affiliate, and here I put my information here, my first name and the account type. So the account type is going to be private, and so it asks, do you have a main source of traffic? No. So I'm just going to open my account and come back to you. Alright, now I am in my Fiverr affiliate page here. As you can see, I'm in the dashboard area here. So here we have the marketing tools here, and we go default, deep links, and again deep links. And here is the area that we have to paste the link to the gig that we want to promote. So what I'm going to do is go to the video editing section here. So what I do is go to the video editing section, which is really a hot market these days. A lot of YouTubers, a lot of people are looking for someone to do the video editing for them because they don't have the time to do that. They are busy with their work. So this is really a hot market that we can use to get money for that. So I searched video editing and there are so many gigs here, and I'm just going to choose one that is pro. For example, I'm going to use this one. I will edit marketing social videos, VFX and audio. I think this is actually a great video editor here, and we can see that the ranking is also good. 51 reviews with 5 stars, pretty good. So what I'm going to do is just to click this link here, share the link, copy this, and go to my dashboard here to the default and deep links and paste the link here. Put the link here, so we can see that there are now new links for me. So what I'm going to do next is go to reddit.com. It's a great platform that a lot of people get together and ask their questions. So now I go to the reddit.com here and I go and search for video editor for hire. As you can see here, there is a group here called Video Editor for Hire, where you can see lots of people looking for editors. For example, this one, I'm looking for a personal brand editor capable of editing to quality of Iman Gatsi. And for example, this one, looking to partner with a video editor. So here you can put a comment here and recommend the gig that you want to promote. So for this purpose, I'm going to use a great AI tool, which is Google Gemini, to give me a great script for this. So here in the Google Gemini, what I do is that I'm just going to put this prompt here. I'm going to promote myself as a professional video editor in a Reddit post for someone that is looking for editor with this text. And now I'm going to go to this Reddit post and just copy this whole section here and put it here in the Google Gemini. Here, Google Gemini is doing a great job for me creating 3 different posts. As you can see, the option 1, which is a concise and professional, and also the other one, which is like adding personality and enthusiasm, and the last one, which is direct and to the point. So what I'm going to do is to go with the direct. So I'm just going to copy this one here and go back to the post here and put here. So what I'm going to do is also there is a section here for the link. So this is going to be the link that we just got from the Fiverr here. So I just go back to here, the Fiverr Pro, just copy this and go back here and put it here. So as you can see, this link is a little long here and it doesn't look really good. So what I'm going to do is go to Bitly. So here in the bitly.com, I can create a short link. I go here to this section, create new and link. And here I paste the long link here. And after that, I go here and click the create. So now it created a short link for me. So I just copy this link here and I go back to Reddit. And here I just replace it with this one. So here, just put this link here. Okay. Now I think our post is ready and you can send it and wait for the answer. So as soon as the person is interested and goes through our link and buys from that gig, we start getting commission. So we can do the same process with different people who are looking for video editing in different groups here. And this is a great platform for us to start getting money through affiliate marketing for Fiverr. I hope you really enjoyed this video so far, and if you really enjoyed, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel. And please leave in the comments your ideas about this method, and until next time, take care, goodbye.